Subject Physical Education for Class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic Symptoms of Fractures. So, how we have to know the symptom of fracture, we have to discuss in this topic. So, at first, where there is a fracture, severe pain around fracture or around the joint or bone on that part. Next one is the joint or bone will look deformed and swelling around the affected part also. And next important thing is the bone will appear fixed with no movement being possible. Next one is local temperature rises. And next one is fracture part is deformed. Through that important things we have to know, these are the symptoms of the fracture. Next point has come, how we have to give the first aid to the fracture or how we have to manage the fracture or bone injuries. So at first, we don't move the joint or bone. The victim should be kept at a comfortable position. It is very important. Next one is apply cold pack or ice pack to reduce pain, swelling and internal bleeding also. Through the ice or through the ice massage, we have to just stop the bleeding, internal or ouinternal also. And next one is the provide supported or support by using string or split bandage further movement to prevent further movement. It means we have to use the some crepe bandage type bandages to stop the further movement or prevent the further movement. Moreover, it gives the relief to the victim also. Next one, the patient should be handled by the doctor or expert and x-ray and other diagnosis should be done properly. The expert should manage immobility by applying plaster so as enable the joint to take its real position also. And then after this immobility should be for 3 to 6 weeks as per expert advice. It means the affected part of the fracture that should not be moved. For that we should be just the plaster over that affected part and that there should not be any type of the movement for 3 to 6 weeks as per the doctor's advice. And then after full treatment of the dislocation joint or bone, fracture follows the progressive rehabilitation exercises or physiotherapy to gain re-strength of the joint or bone under the observation of the expert. So through the physiotherapy exercises, we have to gain again the re-strength of the affected part of the victim. So through that first aid and through these methods, we have to manage this bone injuries or fracture easily. Thank you.